In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to ChatGPT on your laptop and ask it to work with that image. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly what to look for on the screen so everything goes smoothly. If you want ChatGPT to describe a photo, analyze what's in it, help you write something based on it, or make edits using the image as a reference, the first step is getting that image uploaded correctly. Begin by opening ChatGPT in your laptop browser. You can use the browser you normally prefer, and once ChatGPT loads, make sure you're on the main chat screen. From there, start a new conversation. This gives you a clean space to work in and helps keep your image requests separate from any previous chats, which can make the results easier to follow. Next, look near the message box for the plus icon, paperclip icon, or upload button. The exact symbol may vary slightly depending on the version of the interface you see, but they all serve the same purpose, letting you attach a file. Click that button and a file window will open on your laptop. Now choose the image from your laptop files. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of the same image saved in one folder. Once you click the image and confirm your selection, ChatGPT will begin uploading it. Wait until the image finishes uploading before you continue. This part is important because if you start typing or sending too early, the upload may not complete properly. You'll usually see a preview of the image or some sign that the file has attached successfully. When you see that, you're ready for the next step. In the message box, type what you want ChatGPT to do with the image. Be as clear as possible here. For example, you might ask it to describe the image, summarize the text in it, identify objects, help improve the image, or generate a caption based on what it sees. Clear instructions usually lead to better results. After that, send your message. ChatGPT will process both your image and your written request together. Finally, review ChatGPT's response or the image edit result it provides. Read through the output carefully to see whether it matches what you wanted. If needed, you can continue the conversation and refine your request using the same uploaded image. That's it. You now know how to upload an image to ChatGPT on your laptop and use it effectively.